In today's FX markets, let's take a look at the Australian dollar as it's experiencing some higher price action today. Australian dollar trading higher by about 1% currently at the 0.659 level, which is the highs or near the highs of the session, just off, but nonetheless trading at the top end of the range for today and also pushing up to a 2-week high. And we're seeing it coming out of some of the selling pressure that it has experienced in the past couple of weeks. And with this higher price action, really the primary driver today appears to be the RBA discussions about rates moving forward, the possibility of them even raising rates if they feel that they might have to, but definitely hawkish in their tone as far as holding rates steady for what could be an extended period of time, not necessarily getting in line with some of the other central banks from across the globe. And that's having a positive impact on the buck today as we're seeing it trading up and showing relative strength when you look at it relative to the other major FX futures markets. Now, looking at that Australian dollar future today, we are seeing it coming off of 3-month lows just a few days ago. And with today's price action, we're seeing it now pushing up to a 2-week high, so recovering some of the ground that it gave up just about a week ago in reaction to some of the disruptions in the equity markets and other asset classes. So we're seeing some strength come back into the Australian dollar. And looking at the FX futures markets across the board today, mixed bag today. We're seeing the euro and the Japanese yen lower, but we're seeing the British pound higher and the Australian dollar certainly higher, showing significant strength and relative strength at that, being up over 1% currently. So Australian dollar holding on to a gain today, top end of the range and trading at a 2-week high.